Hey guys, it's Ashish and welcome back to yet another tutorial, another day, another vid. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you the Luizclas inspired mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom and also the camera. This preset I personally handcrafted for you guys. So guys, by using this preset you can just turn your photos to like him and as well as make a creative profile on Instagram. And also guys, don't forget to follow that beautiful profile that is Luizclas, and I really inspired from his, and the photographs are very creative and awesome. So guys, don't forget to follow that profile on Instagram, as well as you can just download all the presets from the links down given in the description, that is our website, that is ashvircreations.com, as well as the filterpreset.com. So guys, before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So first thing first, all you have to do is just download this Lightroom inspired, Luizclas inspired Lightroom preset, camera preset and mobile Lightroom preset from the links down given in the description. So you can just download this preset from our website also. So first we're gonna do is just install this camera preset as well as PC Lightroom preset in our desktop PC and Photoshop. So just right click on it and select extract here, and also do the same process on this rare file by extracting it. And you will come to a folder that is Luizclas inspired new camera preset from ashvircreations and filterpreset.com, and that is Luizclas inspired new Lightroom preset from ashvircreations and filter preset. Now open that folder and you will find FP. FP stands for filter preset, and Luizclas inspired new AVC 2019.lr template is the preset file which we're gonna install it to our Lightroom. So just right click on it and select copy, go to the C drive, select the user, select the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe, select the Lightroom folder, and here go to the develop preset. You can paste inside the filter preset or you can just user preset also. Now just right click on it and select paste. And here is the FP Luizclas inspired new preset. It means generally the tones which nowadays he uses in his photos. This kind of color effect is I have really made for you guys just for free. So this is the preset file which trending and a color effect which he used nowadays in his photos for his Instagram profile. Now we're gonna install this camera preset to our Photoshop. So just right click on it. .xmp is the format of the camera preset. So FP Luizclas inspired new AVC. AVC stands for ashvircreations and 2019. Now just close it, and here instead of going to Lightroom we will go to the Photoshop and just paste that preset. No, instead of going to Lightroom we will go to the camera, then go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. Now restart your Lightroom and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos to make the similar to tone to like Luizclas. And we really do respect his creativity. So let's take this photo. This is an example photograph. Now here from the filter tab, and here you can see FP Luizclas inspired new. Here is the new AVC 2019 preset. So let's apply it and you can see the difference. It is really giving your photograph a very perfect and exact look like Luizclas. So let's apply this to this preset, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing and kind of very similar tone. Let's apply it on this photo and you can see the difference. This one is looking really amazing and kind of moody matte effect with color effect trending. So let's just apply it on this photo. Let's choose some of the photographs from here. Let's take this photo, go to the develop preset and just click on this button and you are done. You can see the difference. your photo is really looking very amazing and kind of giving a matte effect on the photograph, which is pretty much perfect. Let's apply it on this photo and you can see the difference. All shadows and everything is stand apart and giving your photo a perfect look, just like Luizclas. Guys, you should use this preset in your photos to stand out your photograph from the rest and just make a similar color effect, just like Luizclas. Let's apply it to some other photographs. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this button and you can see the difference, a huge matte effect and kind of muted black effect. It is looking and making it look more and more adorable. Let's apply it on this photo and you can see the difference. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. Wow. So guys, now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the same preset to your photos with the help of camera preset to your Photoshop. So let's restart your Photoshop and just take some of the example photographs. Let's take this photo. Here I have already some photographs. So let's apply the photos to over here. Just drag and drop over here. Now go to the filter, select the camera filter and just go to the settings. And from here we're gonna just go to the FP Luizclas inspired new. Here is the Luizclas inspired new AVC 2019. So guys, you can see the difference. It is really giving you a perfect moody matte look with kind of cool color effect on the skin tone. And just hit OK. Now let's apply it on this photo. Click on the filter, select the directly camera filter and you can see the difference. This was before and this was after. Let's apply it on this photo and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Now you can just guys install this preset in mobile Lightroom also and just see how it actually looks to your photos and just color grade it and just make a profile picture or the Instagram feed just like Luizclas. And we really don't forget to follow that profile also on Instagram, and we really do respect his creativity. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs to color grade your photos as well as videos, the cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to check out our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset just for free. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow my profile, that is ashvircreations on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.